Hey everyone, tech and science enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the life of one of the most mysterious and extraordinary geniuses in history, Nikola Tesla. But don't worry, it's not just about electricity. This guy discovered so much more that changed the world. So let's take a closer look at Tesla's life, his inventions, and how his legacy still affects us today. Nikola Tesla was born in 1856 in what is now Croatia, and he became one of history's most groundbreaking minds. Tesla's inventions weren't just revolutionary in his time, they continue to shape the world we live in today. Electricity, radio waves, wireless energy, you name it. Tesla's vision is behind much of what powers modern technology. One of Tesla's biggest achievements was developing the alternating current AC system, which completely changed how electricity is transmitted. At the time, Thomas Edison was backing direct current DC, but the two ended up in a heated battle known as the War of Currents. Tesla boldly challenged Edison, and in the end, AC came out top, becoming the standard for electrical power transmission around the world. But Tesla didn't stop there. One of his most iconic inventions was the Tesla coil, a device that produces high voltage electrical currents. The Tesla coil wasn't just for generating electricity, it also allowed Tesla to experiment with wireless energy transmission. He dreamed of transmitting electricity through the air, which is actually the foundation of modern wireless technologies like wireless charging. And that's not all. Tesla's work on wireless communication and radio waves laid the groundwork for radio, telephone systems, and the entire telecommunications industry. Back then, no one imagined that radio waves could be used for global communication, but Tesla was already ahead of the curve. Now, it wasn't just Tesla's inventions that made him interesting. His personality was a bit unconventional too. Picture this: Tesla, a man who was often isolated, working endlessly on his projects, sometimes for hours or days at a time. He wasn't exactly the social butterfly, but when it came to his work, he was a total genius. Unfortunately, despite his incredible contributions, Tesla struggled to secure the financial backing to fully bring his ideas to life. He spent his final years in poverty, but after his death, his legacy grew to monumental proportions. Today, Tesla's name is synonymous with cutting-edge technology, and companies like Tesla Inc. are a direct tribute to his influence. To sum it up, Nikola Tesla wasn't just a pioneer of electricity. He was one of the greatest minds the world has ever known. His inventions continue to shape modern technology in ways we still rely on every day. While he may not have been fully appreciated in his time, today, his genius is undeniable. Tesla's ideas and discoveries still echo through the technologies we use, and his influence is everywhere. Alright guys, that's it for today. We've covered the life, inventions, and legacy of Nikola Tesla. If you want to dive even deeper into his genius, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Let me know what other fascinating topics you'd like to see in the next video. Until then, take care and see you next time.